Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create AI wisdom short business. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to go to your browser and then you have to search for this website ai.innovideo.io, and you have to give the AI a topic, language, and detailed instructions. And I have made a prompt to create the AI wisdom short. I'm using ChatGPT to create a prompt and I'm just going to paste it right here. Okay, this is the prompt I have just created with ChatGPT, and then I'm going to click on generate a video, and we just need to wait for a moment until the AI video has been generated. Okay, and we have to select the audience, and I'm just going to select entrepreneurs, and for the look and feel I'm just going to choose inspirational. And for the platform, I'm going to choose Instagram Reels. Okay, then we can click on continue and we just need to wait. Okay, and now the AI wisdom short business has been created, guys, and then I'm going to play the video to take a look at the final result.
Why do 80% of successful entrepreneurs swear by these leadership secrets? Let's find out. Being a great leader.
And if you are still not satisfied with the result, you can edit the video. You can just give a command to edit the video to the AI, and after that you're going to click on generate. But I'm just going to use this video and I'm going to download it. We can tap on the download button, and then I'm just going to click on stock watermarks because I'm not a premium user, and I'm just going to select normal, and for the resolution I'm going to select this one. Then we can click on continue to download the video. Okay, and the video will be saved to our device. Alright guys, and now the video is being downloaded, and that's how we can create a wisdom short business video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.